First scrape. First scrape. You did a big bump.
In love with it. Appreciate you. See what we can make with this thing, because this is awesome. Here in my garage again, one more time. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I missed you all so much. And as promised, today we are going to be putting the RTR Tactical Performance Coilovers on the S650 Mustang. Behind me, we got our friend James helping us out here. Still got the box in the same place it's been since last video, which was yesterday for me, but probably like 3 days now for you guys since the video came out. I'm super excited to get this thing lowered because, as many of you know, we do plan on throwing boost at this thing and getting some fat tires on this thing, and it just does not look right as it sits, being a monster truck right now. It's hideous, and Mustang Week's coming up in 3 weeks now, so we have to make sure we get the wheels here at least so this thing is looking proper, or it's just gonna be really low on 18s. I'm hoping to at least get an inch or two out of the drop with the coilovers. We're gonna pretty much set it up so we don't have to do too much when the new wheels come in, seeing we're going up to 20s. But yeah, I'm super excited. We're kind of just gonna jump into this video. Get in and get her a little cold start so we can move her around a little bit. Nice and crispy. Don't spray bug spray in your nose. If you guys want a recap of what I did, just give me a second, I'll show you. I'm gonna risk my life to show you guys what I did and what's burning me right now when I'm talking. I grabbed this handy dandy bug spray here and I went, we're bug free now, so it's fine. Oh my God. All right. Do you mind? Before you do anything such as jacking your vehicle up, make sure you chalk the wheels off with a proper chalk. Not pieces of wood, but it's all I got, so it's what we're doing. Do I look good? Is this my good angle?
You look like a tomato. You look like the same color as the car.
Loosen your lug nuts with a breaker bar first.
All right, we had faith in the snap-on gun, but...
for this?
You done yet?
No, I'm fighting for lug nuts.
And you'd be surprised because they also put these on the GT500, so it doesn't matter what pack you get swollen lug nuts. Remove the calipers, get all of our wiring out, and pull this strut out. Shouldn't be too hard, but like I said, things happen, so we're gonna go through and take our time with everything and get this video made for you guys, because there isn't a lot of videos of the RTR Tactical Performance Coilovers out there, but I guess we're gonna be one of the very few. So hopefully we can bring light to the RTR coilovers and show you guys how good they are. I hear nothing but good things. I just want to make sure I get this video out for you guys, show you what we're doing to the car before Mustang Week, and all the progress we're making. So let's get into it. Oh God. Hey James, be careful about that caliper just falling on you. Alright. Boom. I don't know why I put a 21 on there, like it was gonna fit.
Right there.
What? Does it fit? Could be.
Right. It's here.
Good taco. Good taco.
It's such a small bag for all the tacos.
Yeah. James did not completely get this top one out for me already and smack it through. We were totally not sitting here trying to get it out with the impact. So I'm gonna hit it with my purse a little bit, you know? And our coil is out. All right guys, thanks for watching the video. That's gonna be it for today, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Deuces. Moment of truth before we go and eat some tacos. Working up an appetite after A whole day of hard work. Me and James just got off work and yeah. Alright, moment of truth. Ready? Oh yeah, that is pure performance. Go, got spanner wrenches, got our end links, the coilovers, more spanner wrenches, and the adjusters for the dampening on the front end. Can y'all that bust down right here, that bust down. How you feel about that, James?
That's good.
Yeah, that's some good stuff right there. Yes, sir. We about to eat some tacos. Hey Jordan, thanks if you're watching this. Thanks to RTR in general. I'll eat some tacos for install. We're just refreshing some things. James has all of the torque specs in his backpack, so we got those too. But we're refreshing ourselves. So yeah. In order to get the OEM top hats off from the stock spring, we're going to take the top hat off the stock coilover, and we're going to convert it over on to our RTR application here, and not these peanuts. Oh, gross. We're going to get ready to throw the OEM top hat onto this application here. So while James starts getting the compressors on, the spring compressors on, we're going to watch him because I have nothing else to do then. And she's off. That's cool.
We're going to gently disarm said explosive.
Push leverage down, so push forward. You're good. Alright guys, so first and foremost, make sure you are plugging your sensors back in. Don't let these things hang. You just don't want that kind of mess on your hands, really. This one goes in like so. Kapow. Kapow. We're gonna wait till the other side's back on. We got the big guns now. Hopefully I can get it this way. Oh yes, just enough room. What a guy. What a guy. Alright guys, so we're going to now torque down our shock bolts, or our coil bolt, whatever you want to call them, our lower bolts. We're going to tighten to 184 foot-pounds. I have it set to 185, because I'd rather be at 185, one over than four under. So we're gonna tighten these down to spec. We drop it down to 46 foot-pounds for the top bolts. 46, 46. 46. Alright guys, so now we're gonna run our tape measure and actually check. We're gonna go flush. I see we're right at like 2, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's say 2 1/4 hits out at the closeout. So looking to get somewhere right around there on the other side. And we'll know we're pretty much even. Fighting demons over here, dude.
Make it through.
Come on, roll it over. Roll it over. Oh, she curbed the wheels. She's curbing the wheels. Oh, yeah, no, she's curbing the wheels.
I've never curbed any of your wheels.
Liar.
A day.
This thing looks so good even in the air.
It does.
Let's see if I can record a little bit. Alright, we're gonna get our side off. We gotta get the end link off, get the shock out. We're gonna pull the shock out, and then we're gonna have to drop this subframe at least a little bit to try and get that spring out. All right, guys, brake line bolt here and the hard mount, so we can at least loosen it up a little bit. And she's out. There she is. Now let's get that spring out and drop the subframe. All right, guys, here is our RTR rear shock. We are going to now take the top portion from our OEM and transfer it over to the RTR. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You gotta take off this dust cover. Dust cover is off. I was not struggling at all. You're gonna take that bolt off, transfer that over here. You're gonna use the new RTR bolt and then go from there. Oh, yes. We have the bottom of the shock bolted in. We have the bottom of the shock bolted in, and we're getting ready to do our end links now, which you can see are started. Our subframe bolts are back in, and everything is ready to be torqued down. Obviously, the top of the shock. Why do I keep saying that? The top of the shock needs to go back in. Dust cap's on. Our coil is set for the spring in the back, and we are in the middle of tightening everything down, and then we're going to take this thing on a ride. Are now getting ready to put on the wheels. Shocks are on, springs are on, and I think we're ready. Are you ready? You gonna look good?
Yeah.
Yeah. James a little toasty. Alyssa a little toasties. I'm also a little toasties. But yeah, let's go. This thing's gonna look good. Me and James are gonna take it out, go for a drive, let the coils set in, let the springs set in, and then get some pictures of this thing. Alright guys, so now we're going to clean up our hands a little bit and get ready to pretty much go ahead and take this thing out, drive around a little bit, get some pictures for Instagram, tag RTR in a few things, and yeah, that's the coilover install. And then when the wheels come, we'll have that. Tomorrow I'm going to film a lighting video for Diode Dynamics, so we're going to have that video. Whole bunch of fun stuff coming up. I'm super excited because Mustang Week is just around the corner, as I've mentioned many times before. So yeah. I'm out of breath, it's hot as hell. But yeah, I love you guys, I appreciate you guys. Let's go take this thing for a rip, and I have to get gas first. Some of the gas will weigh down the car too. That's extra weight. Okay, I gotta get it. Bye-bye. Alright guys, we're in the car getting ready for James to come join us. Here he comes, here he comes.
Oh,
Big ol'.
what's up?
Alright, his first ride in a 24 GT. And apparently anything over 300 horsepower.
Yep.
All right, so let's go. We're gonna go, and then James is gonna get some recording. I ain't gonna do too much crazy stuff. We gotta let this thing break in, and hopefully everything's good. So turn these off, and let's go. Let me tell you guys something. This car is coming along, and this thing looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that fitment. Look how tucked it is already. And we're gonna go 20s. That thing is gonna be sick. We're probably gonna go up to 285s in the front and maybe 315s in the rear if I can fit. But this thing is absolutely amazing. I'm in love with it. Appreciate you. This thing is sitting pretty much how I want it right now. When these 20s come in, we'll drop it even more on its face, get the Whipple here, and see what we can make with this thing, because this is awesome.
First scrape.
First scrape. We did a big bump as soon as we were getting ready to record. How's it feel? How do you like it? What's your first review in being in a GT? How smooth it rides, etc.?
Definitely, it's smooth. There's no doubt about it.
yeah, smooth, it's comfortable. Even for being a GT with the exhaust open, it's fairly quiet.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, good riding car. Let's see how many times we can scrape tonight.
Yeah.
Bounce the exhaust off the road.
That should be the only one, but that was a solid.
That
solid.
was an aggressive bump. Don't get me wrong. That was a little aggressive, but let's see how she does here.
Front one's a GT, definitely an auto. So if you guys are watching this, what's up? Definitely keeping it chill. Cops were out tonight and they were everywhere. So trying to keep the little tension off of us, because I don't need more attention than I already got around here. So we're gonna keep it a little relaxed. Maybe hit the boulevard, maybe see a few people, see what people's reaction are on the car, stuff like that. I'm gonna have James record out the window, and if people react, they react. If not, we're just two dudes in a car. Two dudes in a car just record. Oh, those are sirens. Oh no, it's a GT.
Oh, we got good news. This mug over here says 10,000 miles on his Mustang.
5 or above, give it a shove.
That's 7,700 miles. That is not 10,000 miles.
It's rounding up. It's not clickbait, I swear. My first 1 year review.
Clickbait.
No.
Car's not even a year old.
Oh, soon.